to all the media because you always were there with us. You always was with us whenever we started any new venture. When we supported this Edithon and Chakara for the last 5 years, I think, what was the reason behind it? That in the north of the region, whenever there are conclaves like education conclaves, we used to go to Delhi, Mumbai, all the metros, right? So it was very difficult for the people around here, the school principals, the universities, because 19 universities are there, private universities in Punjab and 3-4 in Chandigarh. So if you see the number of students studying here and number of people working for the education, so they were all going to metros to attend these type of conferences. So then Ankur started this vision and thought of this concept. I think we were very excited, Chitara was very excited to start this venture with him, and for the last 5 years, and see the result today when he was telling that now 650 people are here and all across the globe. So one thing which I wanted to tell, and summing up Roshan and Sandhya, they were talking about AI and EQ. The latest thing is, संध्या की बात मुझे बहुत सुंदर लगी. संध्या कहती कि मेरा मन नहीं था बंद के रहने को. सब लोगों को पता है, मीडिया को भी, कि अब NEP स्टार्ट हो गया, नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी से. रोशन आपको भी पता होगा. NEP कहता है कि देयर इज you have the liberty to do anything, whatever you want to do, man. It is not only in the classroom. Whatever you do in the classroom and outside the classroom, it will be added in your. So उसके लिए उन्होंने क्या स्टार्ट किया है? The media to know that NEP has started very beautifully ABC, Academic Bank of Credit. So आपके सेशन अटेंड करके if I am doing any credit course, that will be added in. तो ज़रूरी नहीं कि मुझे AI आता है और AI में मैंने इतना कुछ करना है तो मेरे कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशन मैं कोर्स कर रही हूँ, कंप्यूटर साइंस कर रही हूँ, तो मेरा कंप्यूटर साइंस ही है. बट आई कैन डू थिएटर, आई कैन डू एनी प्रोग्राम्स, आई कैन डू पीपल लाइक यू कैन वर्क फॉर इट. सो इतना खूबसूरत एक कॉम्बिनेशन है. और AI का जो चैलेंज हमको बता रहे हैं कि AI का चैलेंज एवरीबॉडी इज स्केयर्ड, एंड संध्या वाज आल्सो सेइंग दैट शी इज आल्सो स्केयर्ड कि मुझे AI नहीं पसंद. AI will work only if people like all of us are there. AI तो हमारा गुलाम है. So whatever we feel, whatever we tell them, it will be there. So इसके लिए हमारा इमोशनल क्वोशंट होना और हमारी इंफ्लुएंस बहुत ज़रूरी है. So I think it's a great combination. Thanks to Ankur, and I think best wishes from all of us to you. That this is a platform where NEP says that there should be a collaboration of, for school education, university is higher education is an industry. So if with the school education, higher education, and your edtech companies are there, so when all these stakeholders work together, and media is always there with us, so it will give a great fruits to the education system. So I think it's a great platform, and thanks to all the media people that you are so excited to see that how Edithon will work, and when you will write something very good about it, that there is a great collaboration with the industry of different types. Now you see the people from Ghana, you see the people from industry which is Bollywood, which is creative field, people like us who are into hardcore education. So when they all will be together, you see what will be the result to the students. They will be beneficial, because now you are saying that there are some master classes there,
yes,
where you have added music into it.
Exactly.
You have added the creative
Arts and culture.
Now this is latest pedagogy which we all are following, not only in Chitara, but in every university, in every higher education. The learning span is reached to 6 minutes. So after 6 minutes, my student in the class, physically he or she is there, mentally he is out. So at that time we need people like you. We want people like you to tell them things in a storytelling form. So now our pedagogy has changed from Cooper method to the storytelling session. So this is a change which I think we are very happy that at one platform we all are there to see the change. Thank you.
So